Hello viewers, I hope you are all doing well. Data science has become familiar in every domain. Like in cricket and football, data science has helped the team build strong and develop a strategy against strong competitors. There is plenty of space for growth in the sports industry. Forecasts for sport analytics from 2016 to 22 predict a significant 40.1% CAGR with a potential value of US $3.97 billion in 2022, says Business Wire. Given the volume of data we'll be dealing with in the sports world, it makes perfect sense to employ analytics. The world of sport is constantly developing its ability to use sports analytics as a tool to increase its victory rate. But today, we will be focusing on a specific sport, that is Kabaddi. So, the team Kabaddi has implemented data science to build a strong team and work on the strategies. Kabaddi is portrayed as a Desi sport, a sport that is familiar to all Indians. The players from Kabaddi are from rural parts of India. Pro Kabaddi League took a start in 2014, keeping in mind that even players from the rural side can build their careers in sports. So, the team Kabaddi has implemented data science to build a strong team and work on the strategies. The management of Kabaddi has taken the initiative to implement data science technology in sports to study each player's profile and analyze their strong and weak points. From this data, the sports analyst will be able to develop a strategy that can help the team grow as a strong competitor in the league. So, how does data science is implemented? Before the actual game starts, the team needs to buy the players for the team in the auction. The sports analyst's job is to study each player listed in the auction from their previous national and international level games. The team will bid in the auction and buy them based on their statistics. The team played practice matches to build strong coordination between the players. The management also gets an opportunity to learn each player's behavior with the team and predict their playing skills in actual matches. The league has introduced points like rate points, successful rates, super rates, and super tens for the players to give out their best game. These points become a handy tool for the analyst to analyze the players. Based on these stats, the management predicts the team's consistency and productivity. Consistency and productivity are determined by video analysis. Video analysis helps teams analyze games and practices using different matrices and then develop conclusions and suggestions for the technical staff. Tech-savvy and interested players also ask for their analysis sessions, which leads to a gradual rise in their performance indicators. Team scouting. Scouting the team's performance and the coach's decision making could help them get a consolidated scouting report while building a team for the season. Player tracker for coach. Coaches want to use the most up-to-date technology to track how well an athlete is doing. The athlete monitoring system is a complete system that keeps track of all the parameters needed to measure fitness, track performance, and make sure that players keep getting better. Injury tracker. The company's newest product is an in-house application that helps the medical, technical, and management teams make strategic decisions based on the player's health or physical fitness. With all these stats and data, we can interpret that data science has become a vital element in sports. Hope you enjoyed and understood the role of data science in the field of sports. Let us know your opinion in the comment box below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Learnbay.